Today we're diving into some incredibly exciting news about Samsung's much-anticipated foldable smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, which are set to redefine mobile technology once again. With major hardware advancements, a refined design, and a software leap to One UI 8 based on Android 16, this next generation of foldables looks like it's going to be something truly special. So, let's break it all down. From release timelines and design leaks to software upgrades, performance enhancements, and even a potential surprise. A Samsung trifold smartphone that might just challenge Huawei's dominance in the foldable arena. Let's get into everything you need to know. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. A massive leap forward in 2025, Samsung continues to lead the foldable smartphone market with its Z Fold and Z Flip series. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will represent the next evolution of Samsung's foldable technology, expected to launch in July 2025, just a few weeks after Android 16's stable release by Google. With the introduction of One UI 8.0, Samsung is not just updating its interface, it's rebuilding it from the ground up with deeper Android integration, more intelligent AI-based features, and smoother animations. And yes, we can now confirm that both foldables will ship out of the box with Android 16 and One UI 8 pre-installed, a significant upgrade over the One UI 7 Android 15 pairing that received lukewarm reception due to delays and stability concerns. One UI 8, a game-changing software overhaul based on Android 16. One of the most exciting developments is the introduction of One UI 8 on these foldables. Built on Android 16, Samsung's new interface will include smarter multitasking with floating apps and better split-screen modes, deeper AI enhancements across the system, enabling real-time suggestions and optimizations based on user habits. Revamped customization options such as lock screen widgets, edge lighting patterns, and smart wallpaper rotation based on context, performance optimization, and better resource management, especially on foldable displays. The upcoming Google I/O 2025 event, scheduled for May 2021, is expected to reveal all the major changes coming with Android 16. Samsung's rapid adaptation of these features into One UI 8 indicates that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will serve as the ideal showcase for what's new. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 launch timeline, July 2025. Multiple sources, including Galaxy Club and insiders in the supply chain, have pointed to a July 2025 release for Samsung's new foldables. This makes sense from a strategic standpoint, especially if Google finalizes Android 16 in June or early July. Samsung could time the Unpacked event to occur just after Android 16's rollout, ensuring the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are among the first devices in the world to debut the OS. Given how the rollout of One UI 7 based on Android 15 was met with frustration, Samsung appears to be pivoting to a faster, more streamlined software release strategy with One UI 8. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Design: sleeker, lighter, more durable. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to be slimmer, more durable, and even lighter than its predecessor. Here's what the latest leaks suggest: thinner hinge mechanism for an even more seamless fold. Improved UTG, ultra-thin glass layer that adds flexibility without sacrificing protection. Titanium frame option, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, reducing weight while enhancing strength. Enhanced IPX8 water resistance and potential for dust resistance, a first in foldable design. The inner screen will still be 7.6 inches, while the outer screen may get narrower bezels, making it more usable for everyday tasks. Samsung is reportedly improving the crease visibility as well, one of the main criticisms of previous models. Galaxy Z Flip 7, compact, smart, and stylish. The Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung's popular clamshell foldable, is also getting some love this year. A slightly larger cover display, possibly pushing toward 4 inches, making it more functional for widgets, cameras, and quick replies. Camera improvements with better sensors and AI-based image processing. A possible battery size increase thanks to optimized internal engineering. It'll also benefit from the new One UI 8 experience, giving users even more customization and smart features in a compact package. Performance and hardware. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4? Both the Fold 7 and Flip 7 are expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, offering better AI processing, enabling real-time language translation, intelligent camera suggestions, and enhanced app optimization. Massive gains in GPU and CPU performance, up to 30% faster graphics and 25% better battery efficiency. Support for LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, leading to quicker multitasking and faster app load times. Coupled with Android 16's native AI boosts, Samsung's new flagships will feel faster, smarter, and more responsive than ever before. Battery, charging, and longevity battery life has been a concern for foldables, but Samsung is tackling this head-on. The Z Fold 7 may sport a 5,000 mAh battery, up from 4,400 mAh on the Fold 5. The Z Flip 7 could see a bump to 4,000 mAh, helping it last through a full day of moderate to heavy usage. Fast charging is expected to remain at 45W for the Fold and 25W for the Flip, though wireless charging and reverse wireless charging will also return. With One UI 8's efficiency improvements and Android 16's power management upgrades, these devices are poised to offer better battery endurance than any Samsung foldable before.